Senator Moses Wetangula's service as the Senate Minority Leader ceases with immediate effect, and Senator James Orengo is forthwith recognized as the Senate Minority Leader.
Ni miario ya spika wa bunge ya Senate Ken Lusaka agikira mukode mutongoria wa anini bunge-ini ya Senate Moses Wetangula yariketie kuhagurwo ni senators 19 a ODM na umwe wa ANC. Na kumana na itashokia riu kiama gia Ford Kenya kira gitongoragio ni Moses Wetangula itinayo kia undu ucio na uhutho makiuga ODM ni ihotorete kumathinikania ngwataniro-ini ino.
The three partners, that is ODM, that is Ford Kenya, Wiper and ANC, for the last 2 terms have unconditionally supported the presidential candidate from ODM, Honorable Raila Odinga, and yesterday's decision to kick out Moses Wetangula is in bad spirit.
Things are not moving on well because when you ask a question, what has Senator Wetangula done wrong? You are told he was not there of the swearing of 30th. But you must understand the context, what transpired. Barack Mluga has spoken, you've had Boni Khalwale speaking, and the Prime Minister Raila Odinga also knows what transpired.
Wetangula arahagorirwo kuma gituro-ini kia mutongoria wa anini bunge-ini ya Senate akirikana ndakoretwo agithikiriria mateta ma senators za ODM ona thengia wa uingi wao.
There is no proper representation in the leadership that has been submitted.
Na ona gukire ogwo aruna wa ODM bunge-ini ya kibururi monanitie kwa kuiganira na itua ria aruna wa Senate mubunge wa Saboti Kareb Hamisi akiuga mugaro na itanya ria ateti gutianire uteti utari na kiene ta uria President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga maiguithanirie ni umara wa bararia.
I think NASA must break. That is my view. Why? Coalitions are formed before an election so that you can win the election. And the other coalitions are formed after the election so that you can maybe champion the agenda or the promises you made to the people or, to structure your governance.
Ona shoshema cia ANC na Wiper iria kwa njira imwe cikaite kumana na ukoro kure ODM yonanetie ni nyitite mbaru riendekithire kwiyeherania na NASA.
We find this conduct highly reprehensible.
No mutongoria wa anini bunge-ini ya kibururi John Mbadi uria mwikirigite wa kiama kia ODM nianyururitie ritana riu akiuga riu ni riciria matabatie gukorwo nario kuna gicunji kiigana ria 8 kihegere gia 3 nigitikiritie ODM yo itongoria wa iturwa ciothe cia kamiti cia bunge kumana na uingi wao kugikinya NASA ni ya haragana.
Effect of us going separate ways is that now ODM will be the party qualified to hold positions of minority in the National Assembly. And even in the Senate, because the Senate standing, the leadership of minority is only defined in the National Assembly in the Constitution. But the Senate standing orders has borrowed from the Constitution and created the same offices.
Gaturu kadeto ni muthenya wa rucio kuri atongoria ngwatano ya NASA Raila Odinga, Musalia Mudavadi, Moses Wetangula na Kalonzo Musyoka magacemania kwariria maundu mwanya mwanya ma ngwatano ino ire shonirie digano. Mwerekera wa muthiaru wi moko-ini ma atongoria nene ngwatano-ini ino ya NASA kunagia nginyagia riu ciama iria ciumbite ngwatano ino cihandite na mirugamo yacio kiumbe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.